You go to bed on time, you sleep long enough, but deep sleep never happens. And most people don't realize it's because of one daily habit. Deep sleep is where recovery happens. The brain slows down, the nervous system resets, mental energy is restored. Without enough deep sleep, you wake up tired, even after many hours. The habit isn't caffeine, it isn't stress, it's late mental stimulation, screens, scrolling, constant input before bed. Even if you fall asleep quickly, your brain stays alert longer than you think. The brain doesn't switch off instantly, it transitions gradually. Late stimulation delays this process. Research suggests this reduces the time spent in deep recovery phases. Your body is resting, your brain is still processing, you still sleep, you still dream, so it feels normal. But the quality of sleep changes quietly, and over time, energy, focus, and mental clarity decline. Deep sleep isn't about sleeping longer. It's about letting the brain slow down. Modern habits make that harder than ever. Understanding this is the first step toward better recovery, not fixing sleep, understanding it.